Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you Lexus HS250 Speedometer before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. After conversion, instrument cluster displays notifications, statistics, and settings in English. There are about 100 phrases in Japanese which we have converted to English. Those related, for example, to Windows closure reminder, washer fluid low, oil pressure, key battery, 12-volt battery, hybrid battery, cruise control, etc. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.